Hey everyone, welcome back to Code and Life Chronicles. Today I will show you how to install Shadcn UI using React, Vite and TypeScript. Let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search Shadcn UI in Google. Click on the first link and go to the docs. Then go to installation and then you go to the Vite. First, we need to set up our React project with Vite. Copy the following code and paste it in your terminal. Select React and then select TypeScript as Shadcn uses TypeScript for building their components. Follow the given commands and verify that your Vite project is successfully created. Copy this URL and paste it in your browser. You can see that React project is successfully created. Next, we need to install Tailwind CSS. Go to Google and search Tailwind CSS. Go to the first link and in the docs, go to the framework guides and you will find Vite. Go to the second step and copy the code. Open a new terminal and go to the current working directory. Paste the code. Copy the given code and paste in tailwind.config.js file. Add the tailwind directives in index.css file. So now we have successfully configured Tailwind CSS in our project. So now let's edit the tsconfig.json file as given here. Also do necessary changes in tsconfig.app.json. Make sure you are in compiler options and paste here. Install the package given here. Copy the complete code here and paste it in vite.config.ts. All the necessary libraries are installed by now. Now let's install Shadcn UI and initialize the project. You will be asked a few questions to configure. Select as you need. I am going with the default settings now. That's it. You can now start adding components to your project. Let's have a demo here. This command will add the button component to a project. You can import it like this. So let's remove all the default code and add our button component. Let's import it. Let's create a button component. So we can see the Shadcn component is successfully rendered in our UI. So that's it. Thank you for watching.